How to log into your Instagram without email or phone number. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily log into your Instagram if you have forgotten its password. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and if you are on the login page, you don't even have to enter your username, email address, or mobile number. You can just go ahead and tap on forgotten password. And once you do that, Instagram will opt you to find your account by entering your email address or username. And if you have your mobile number connected, you can tap on it to search it by mobile number. And once you do that, if you can't reset your password, go ahead and tap on this link right here, and it will guide you to the help center. So if you want to recover your password, go ahead and tap on recover your Instagram password. And if you have forgotten your password or if your profile has been hacked, you can find the related article right here. So I'm just going to tap on forgotten password, or if you're not able to reset your password this way, you can visit this page right here. Tap on it. So if you think your account was hacked, select the first option, tap on next. And if you don't know your phone number or email address, you might know your username. And if you even don't know that, you can ask a friend of yours to check your username and then go ahead and enter your username. So I'm just going to enter mine right here and then just tap on next. Now it will search for your account right here. Just wait for it, and you'll have to confirm that it's your account. So complete this quick captcha, which I'm going to do right now. And once the captcha is complete, just tap on verify like this. And once you have done that, tap on next. So here are multiple options to recover your account. You can either send WhatsApp or text messages to your number, or you can directly send a reset link to your email. And after doing that, just tap on next and you should be good to go. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.